have it at like, probably 10-degree angle.
You want me to lock that back?
No, I think it's
Sure.
fine.
Okay.
Yeah, about a 10-degree angle. I can have it somewhere in the general 10-degree angle. If it's 12 or if it's 9 or something like that, it's okay. Just, yeah, that's fine. So, not yet. We're working on it. Yeah, that's pretty good.
I'm sorry.
So now we're going to combine them.
Nicole,
Hmm?
I'm sorry.
You have to hold it up. You just have to. So yeah, you have to kind of raise it, like, this, that's it. Really like, no, it's okay. Because they actually came out with the update, and normally when you, it's not supposed to jump the way it does, so you have to really kind of move it. So now what we're going to do is we are going to intersect these two pieces. So a little bit better. We're going to take the smaller box. We're going to take this little box and just have it so it intersects with that big box. So basically just like that, just making sure that both of the corners are completely inside of that long box. So remember, zooming in and out is using that mouse wheel. So if you want to make sure that you're all the way in there, you can zoom in and then you can always just change your perspective. So both of my corners are inside of that longer box. Also, try to do it so the ends of the two boxes are kind of on the same. Perfect. Okay. Alright, so now we're going to make this part. So this part down here. So we are going to go and take another box. We're going to take it and we are going to drag it to the workplace somewhere on the bottom. So under our design. So we're going to take it, we're going to click it, place it right here. Now we're going to change the dimensions. So we're going to change the length. Also, when we're changing dimensions, your view of what is normally length, width, and height are going to be skewed, I guess you can say. So normally when you're looking at it from the home view, the length is this, and the width is this, and then the height is like over here. This is the length. So we're going to take this 20 right here that's on the right side. We're going to change that to 60. Mm-hmm. Okay, yeah. Okay.
60,
Yeah. So if you're, okay, so yours is on the same side as mine, so you can change yours to 68 this time, mine was. Mm-hmm. Yours is, yeah, it's the same thing, 68. We're going to change that to 68. So it should kind of look just like how mine is right over here, kind of, yeah. So the length is 68. We're going to change the width. So this 20 right here on the bottom, I'm going to click on that, and we're going to change it to 6. Now it's skinny, and now we're going to change the height. The height is the only 20 left but since it's this guy right over here. So mine is on the top, yours is on the top with mine, yours is, yeah. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and change that to 45 also. Okay, so now we're gonna change our view. Actually, no, I'm sorry, we're not gonna change our view. We're gonna rotate this, because this has to be horizontal. Sorry. So we're gonna take the arrows that are on the bottom right here. We're gonna click on that, and we're just gonna make it completely horizontal. So just like that. And then just bring it up so it looks just like this. So it should kind of be sticking out on the right side like this. So this is giving us the space to put the actual phone. So this is the rest of the part that's sticking out right here. Okay. Perfect. And now this is going to be a little tricky. We are going to get another box, and we are going to just drag it somewhere in this area. We're going to place that. And we are going to change the again. So we're going to take our 20